The Director of Housekeeping, also called Executive Housekeeper, is the head of the housekeeping department and oversees all activities to ensure high standards of cleanliness and guest comfort. More specifically, the responsibilities are develop and implement housekeeping policies and procedures, manage housekeeping budgets and monitor expenses, oversees cleanliness in guest room, public area, laundry and back-of-house areas, coordinates with other departments, front office, maintenance, security for smooth operations, recruits, train and evaluates housekeeping staff, ensure compliance with safety and hygiene standards, handles guest complaints related to housekeeping and resolve them promptly. In the next video, I will detail the position of assistant housekeeper and floor supervisor.